Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be playing with a ton of Colourpop makeup and creating the look that I have on my face currently. I am doing another tutorial using the Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette. If you guys didn't watch my other one, I will link it right here if you guys are interested in watching that. I love this eyeshadow palette so much, and the look that I'm wearing currently is just something that I've been doing on a ton of my brides now that it's like springtime and summer and stuff. Everybody wants those like nice corally tones, and it's just so romantic, so beautiful, and I love it. It's just a gorgeous everyday type of look, and I wanted to do something wearable. So if you guys are interested on seeing this look right here and learning how I create it, then let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. And if you guys are interested on this hairstyle, I did film it, so if you guys are wanting that tutorial, I will link that down below as soon as it's uploaded. And without further ado, let's jump into it. I went ahead and did my foundation and my brows, but the rest of the stuff is going to be all Colourpop. So I'm going to start off with a Colourpop bronzer. This is actually new to my collection. This is California Dreaming, and I'm going to go ahead and just take that and just kind of bronze up everything. I'm not really going for a real sculpted look. I'm just going for more of a bronze look since this is more like summertime and glowy. This bronzer is definitely very buildable. It's not like super pigmented to where it's leaving, you know, a harsh line on my face or anything. I can definitely build it up really softly, which I'm liking so far. I think Brutus is having a bad dream and snoring. Okay. Oh my God, that monster just went all over my face. So I have two blushes to choose from Colourpop. So I have the Count Me In Super Shock Cheek Matte, which is a really, really pretty kind of coral color. And then I also have this like baby pink shade that I just got. I've only used it once, and this is to the 10 right here. So this is what they look like. They're kind of similar. This is more like pinky rose, and this is more like a corally color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take Count Me In right here, since I am looking for more like a warm, sun-kissed type of color. I'm gonna go pretty heavy on the blush just because this is going to be a very like summery, like springy type of look. I love that blush so much. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it leaves the littlest little glow right here, which I don't know why, because it says it's matte, but it leaves just like a little bit of glow, which I'm not complaining because I really love that. So I have two different highlighters from Colourpop that I'm kind of torn between using, and this is in the shade Flexitarian right here. And then I also have the shade on the cusp, which is this one right here. All right, that's on the cusp right there. I think I'm gonna go in, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go in with On the Cusp, and normally I like to just kind of dab that on with my fingers, but I'm gonna see if I can just put it on with a brush. Normally I apply these with my finger, but that, oh, Colourpop just like, I love them so much. I want this look to be pretty dewy, so I'm just kind of like lightly brushing that all over, like on my nose, then on my forehead, a little bit on my chin down here. I'm totally okay. My skin is normally dry, so I don't mind a little bit of an extra glow. Okay. I'm sure you guys can guess what palette I'm gonna use. This is a Sweet Talk palette. I love this one. I did one tutorial on here so far, and so I've been wanting to use it again on here because I've been using it a ton on my clients, and I just love all the looks that I've been creating with this. It is such a beautiful palette. This like speaks to me on like a whole different level. I love it so much. Okay. The next shade I'm taking from this palette is Dream Maker right here, and I'm actually going to place that all over my lid and just kind of pack it on there. I want more of like a peachy, bright kind of summery look. So stunning. I love this palette. Before I go any further, I'm gonna go ahead and take Work It again, but this time on a small little Luxie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line with that shade, as well as Dream Maker too. So I'm gonna take both of those. I'm gonna go back in with Work It right into my crease up here. I'm gonna take one of my favorite Colourpop Super Shock shadows. This is in the shade Ladybird. You guys can see what it looks like right there. It's just like a pinky champagne color. It is so beautiful and so blinding. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that right here in the middle of my lid and then on my inner corner as well. So for my lid, I'm just going to take it on the back of my finger. Just kind of press it onto there. Oh, yes, I love that shade so much. To put that shade in the inner corner, I'm just going to take it on a really small kind of brush. This is a Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush. And just popping that right there. I freaking love this Super Shock shadow. I use it like daily. I love this one. I think I need more bronzer. To be honest, I feel like this eye is taking over. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that bronzer. Just kind of warm up the face. I'm gonna use this Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. This is just the white one. I like to put this right in my waterline to kind of brighten it up a little bit and make my eye look a little bit bigger. I've actually never tried mascara from Colourpop, but this is their BFF Volumizing Mascara. I just got the black shade. They have plenty of others, but I wanted to try this out because a lot of people said this is like a dupe for so many different good mascaras. I think the Milk Kush makeup or something like that. Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, I don't know what it was, but everybody said it's a dupe. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna see what it's about, okay? So this is the first coat right here and I am loving it. I think I'm gonna do a second coat just because I really like my lashes like super bold. And then we'll get to the lips because I'm really excited about my lipstick. All right, to finish this look, we just have lips to do and I have a new Luxe lipstick shade. Well, new to my collection. I don't know if it's new to Colourpop, but this is in the shade Name Drop and it's so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Wow, I can already tell it's gonna go perfect with this eye makeup. I really thought that Spring Roll was gonna be like my favorite from this little Luxe lipstick collection. Wait a second, these are like the same, almost the same color. That's why I'm so obsessed with it. That is Spring Roll, that is Name Drop. This is like a little bit deeper, but not by much. Not by much at all. That's why I'm so obsessed. You guys saw my last video with the spring collection. I cannot believe how similar those two shades are. That's kind of weird, but anyways, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Fairy Floss. This is just a baby pink nude lip gloss. I'm gonna go and do something with this hair so it doesn't look so bad with this pretty makeup, okay? And I'll be right back to show you guys how it all looks all finished up. So now that I've actually done something to my hair, I feel a little bit better, but this is the completed makeup look. I hope that you guys did enjoy this little summertime springy makeup tutorial. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I love all your recommendations. And without further ado, I don't know where I was going with that, but without further ado, this video is over. So I hope to see you guys in my next one, and thank you